In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D prototype with Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, understanding how to create dynamic, realistic prototypes can significantly elevate your design projects. Let's dive into the process of bringing your ideas to life in a three-dimensional space with Figma. To begin, you'll want to open up Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool that's become indispensable for designers worldwide. You can do this by heading over to the Figma website in your browser. It's always important to ensure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and click on the login button. If you're new to Figma, you can quickly create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This is your hub for all things Figma, from sharing and accessing files to managing teams. What you want to do next is visit the design section. This area will serve as your starting point for creating your 3D prototype. Now it's time to create and design your 3D object. You can start by selecting a frame size that best fits your project. Figma offers a variety of preset sizes suitable for different devices, or you can set custom dimensions to match the specifics of your design needs. With your frame in place, you can now shift your focus to creating the 3D object. To do this, start drawing shapes using the various vector tools that Figma provides. Be sure to utilize tools like the pen tool for precision and flexibility. When designing in 3D, consider using gradients and shadows, which can add depth and realism to your objects, making them appear more dynamic and lifelike. Next, navigate to the Action section within Figma. This will allow you to incorporate additional functionalities into your design. Here, you'll want to search for isometric or 3D components. These components are specifically designed to enhance your prototype by providing that necessary 3D slant, giving the illusion of depth. Once you find the isometric or 3D component that suits your design, click on it to start the integration process. These components are typically customizable, so you can adjust them to better fit the design and perspective you envision. Finally, click on Run to apply the 3D transforms to your design. This final step bridges the gap between a flat design and an interactive 3D prototype. As your design transforms, you'll see your creative ideas come to life in a new dimension, adding an impressive and engaging visual component to your prototype. In just these few steps, you now have a basic 3D prototype ready for further refinement or to share with clients or team members for feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and experimenting with different tools and components available in Figma. Happy designing!